Hi everyone, today I'm going to be finishing off the series about cleaning timber hives, which I'll be cleaning the floors and the roofs. So I'll just change the camera and we'll get cracking. Okay, so you've probably seen it in the other videos, but these are the tools I use. It's a brush for just brushing off propolis, and then a scraper and hive tool for scraping the hives, and the wire brush is quite handy for scraping off the metal floor, and of course the blowtorch. So it's quite simple. So strap on your side. And then the front of the hive. And this is the timber block that goes in, so this is all propolised up. And then I'll just give this a brush. And you can see where this has been scorched before, so this has already been done previous year, but I'll go through and do it again. Try not to set like myself. Turn it round. And just turn it over. Just give it a scorch. It's got metal runners, so we'll just give them a bit of a blast. Let's give this a bit of a scrub. With a bit of propolis there. It's on the bottom. It's just where it's been stored. And we'll just do the entrance block as well. And that is the floor complete. Put that away. And then with the roof, just very quickly, it's not too much, I'll just give it a quick scorch. Just this is fairly clean, there's a bit of propolis around, not much at all, but I'll give this a quick scorch and that's that. But I'll just do that off camera, there's no point. I think you've seen enough of scraping and scorching. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and leave any comments. If you've got any questions or anything, or like to see any other videos, let me know and I'll be happy to make them. Thanks a lot, and catch you next time.